Are we dreaming? Is this a...
No. This is real, man.
Go.
Oh, it is going right over 16.
Oh my God.
It is going right over 5. Holy crap, the thing is getting bigger.
I know, and I'm scared.
Oh my God, that is getting bigger.
Oh, I wish we had a cell phone we could call somebody.
Holy crap, look how big that is getting.
Oh my God. I'm so scared, Philip. I'm so scared. I don't want anybody to get hurt. Oh my God.
My God, look how big that is getting now.
Philip, I am so scared. Oh no. Oh, jeez.
Holy mother, look at how big that's getting.
No, Phil, I'm so scared. I don't want anybody to get hurt. Oh, God, no.
Wow. I can't believe that. I cannot believe that, Linda. Look at how big that is getting.
I know, but I don't want anybody.
Oh, my dear Lord, that is, whoa.
Oh, God, Phil. I don't know how much longer I can hold this. I'm going to drop it.
Oh, I cannot believe that.
Oh, my dear God.
It's breaking up.
Are we moving?
Holy crap, I cannot believe we saw one of these. We stuck with that storm and we kept up with it
and it's
going
breaking
away.
up.
Oh, it was big there for a little bit there.
Oh, Phil.
Oh, I'm shaking too now. Yes, that was just awesome.
I'm just scared that people get hurt. I'm scared.
Wow, you couldn't even see down there.
No, you couldn't.
Okay, we're gonna go now.
Oh no, it was.
Your grandchildren are listening to me going, wasn't he around when my grandparents?
Wow, we followed that cloud. We followed that all the way from
when it started.
Yeah.
Album Ziggy Stardust. So here's a double shot of Bowie. Ziggy Stardust.
I wish we had the cell phone.
People are just tagging for it now.
It does look. It's forming.
Oh yeah, there it is again.
It's jumping down.
Close up to being out of gas here. Oh, it's still there.
Oh shoot, we're almost out of taste. We got 5 minutes left. It's forming.
Yep, it's still forming again. Oh, it's kind of raining pretty hard up there too. It's not gonna stop. I can see it.
She's probably from the fire department. Unless there's no behind us. It's still there. It's still there.
Yep. Wow, that was pretty big for a little bit there. Damn.
It's still...
It's kind of like rain coming over here. Well, we saw it there when it was big, and oh, there it comes. Oh, it's gaining strength this time again. Here it comes again. Here, we're gonna go.
Do we have any more tape?
Oh, here it comes again. We're closer this time.
Is this where it went over?
Yeah, pretty close.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, yeah, you did. Yep. Oh, we're over for that house.
Oh, no. Oh.
Look at... Holy crap, look at all this.
Oh, Lord. I hope those people are okay. at the boat.
Oh my gosh.
Boy, that guy just don't want to die, does he?
Those people drove right through it. Here, we're gonna go over the hill.
It's on the ground again.
It's on the ground again.
On the ground. I cannot believe how long this has lasted.
I know, I can't believe we've been following it this long.
Look at how close it is, Phil. So
We're good. We're good. It's going away from us. We're not going. It's not coming at us.
can you turn down here? Oh, I think it's gonna be done this time. It's gone. It's still on the ground.
Look at how close we are to it. Woohoo!
It's going again. It's coming down again.
This is it though. We're not going to be able to chase it after this because the river's right over there.
Well, it's gonna die completely. It is. Oh my god.
Unbelievable. I can't believe there hasn't been any warnings for this thing.
Yeah, no kidding. It's not even in the dells. Is nobody calling anybody?
Yeah, we can't chase it.
You know what we could do?
What? You can still see it, but it's not. You can't go. There's no way we can chase it any farther. Jeez.
We could take our film footage and send it in a very small piece.
We should go. This is 6:46 until 7:06. Come on, focus. 6:46 till 7:14. That's the storm that went over Highway 16. That tornado, we followed that thing all the way. Yeah, I can't believe that. We just followed that just perfect. Come on. Actually, there's just stuff all over the place. That's might be the cloud. Yeah, that's probably the cloud right there. Oh, look at that. That's cool how you can see it. So we were about over. Oh, it came right across the field right here.
Slow down, Phil. The guy's still moving. I'm not gonna record with him. Oh, that's the guy that's always at Zinki's, isn't it?
Right on the ground right there. Jeez. It must have just got big right there, because it's like you can't really see anything else anywhere that was really damaged.
I can't see.
Of course, there's like there's not a lot of.
Maybe it was up here.
Look, well, it looks like it went through here too. Yeah, well, yeah, it went through here a little bit too. Geez, definitely right through there. And then it was really only big. I missed that when we came through here.
Now I feel like a gawk. Car seems to be intact, except for the sign.
And some stuff laying on the roof, and then all that stuff laying all over the.
But the drunks are all right.
I think it went through over here too.